Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit assistant menu items on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, this is my assistant menu and these are the items on my assistant menu, and I'm going to edit the items. So first of all, we can open our settings application on our phone and we can scroll down until we find the accessibility setting. You can tap on this accessibility setting and you can open the interaction and dexterity and click on the assistant menu since we want to edit the assistant menu items. Okay, and here we can choose select assistant menu items. Okay, and here we can edit the items, and for example, I'm going to remove this screen rotation item from my assistant menu and I'm going to replace it with brightness. Okay, and now the items have been changed and I'm going to check it. Okay, as you can see that the brightness has been added to my assistant menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit assistant menu items on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.